Hello players, with all of the leaks and rumours flying around everywhere over the new Oculus Quest headset, you might be wondering if you should sell your current Oculus Quest headset right now. The answer is, of course, it's up to you, but there are some things you might want to consider. Okay, so while there have been no new leaks since last time we spoke, I still strongly believe that the Oculus Quest will be a Quest refresh or a Quest 1.5. But of course it's all speculation and I could be wrong. But right now the current Quest is sold out in the majority of places, so if you own one, it kind of gives you a unique advantage because used Quests are selling anywhere from $300 to $450 for the 64GB base model, and that's very rare for any piece of technology to hold its value that well. But it's not going to hold that value forever. The date, September 15th, has been mentioned a lot for the new Quest headset, and it could be a release date, or it could be an announcement date, or it could be both. Either way, the resale value for your Quest has a time limit. Once the new headset is officially announced, everyone will be looking to sell their current headset to help fund the next one. So if you are going to do it, it kind of has to be sooner rather than later. And the next question you have to ask yourself is, can I be without my Quest for a month or two? And that really is the killer question, because if you sold now and the new headset is only, say, a Quest Lite or even a Go Plus, well, let's just say you don't want the new headset. You could probably buy another used Quest for about the same price you sold it for. And if it is a new headset, it's likely, in my opinion, going to sell for the same $399 price tag. So you basically might get a free or very low cost upgrade, but at the cost of being Questless for a while. With the resale price of the Quest being so good right now, you're probably pretty safe selling. But in just over a month, that resale price isn't going to look nearly as nice. So you can be Questless and have the cash, or you can wait it out and see what happens. So let me know, are you planning on selling your Quest to fund the next headset? And can you be without VR for an entire month? Let the people know in the comments below. You can check out my Quest 2 leak video if you haven't seen it already right here. I'm going to cover as much as I can about the new Quest, so hit subscribe if you want to see that. And if you love tech, games and VR, you can geek out here, the door's always open. If you like this, there's a button which means make more videos like this, and another button that means don't ever do this again, you idiot. But until next time, be excellent to each other and keep playing.